So I really love the makeup done by Melissa, so I'm going to try and do it on Asian eyes, but I don't have purple. I'm not a very adventurous makeup artist, but I'm going to use this plum color, okay, to represent purple. So first thing first, I already applied my eye primer, so I am going to use maybe something plummy color. Yes, nice. Okay, so for me, right, I'm going to use this as my base look. Oh, so pretty! Actually, I never thought that I'm suitable for purple color, you know. Because you look like, I cannot punch like that. Okay, I got it. Okay. Then for us, right, for Asians, right, we have to apply a dark color at the end here and the beginning here. Oh, so pretty. Can you see the contouring? And then you can line all the way like a smoky look. This is very subtle smoky look, guys. It's so pretty, right? So I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm using a dark color purple. Just here and here. Just make sure I'm doing it correctly. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, you can see that I'm doing a bit rounded so that your eyes look bigger this way. It's so pretty. Very pretty. Then I use a shimmery. Oh, so gorgeous. I prefer to use finger for my shimmery powder. So pretty. Oh, gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? So as per normal, this part I'll do the smoky look. You can line all the way if you want to. It's so easy peasy with this. Alright, then I'm gonna darken my eyeliner. Change my mind. I'm using this MAC shimmery. It is so glamorous, guys. So glamorous, right? So glamorous, guys. Okay, then after that, right, I'm gonna use this one to blend. Oh, so pretty. And then I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna put a bit of party look. Oh. You see the party look? It's so pretty. Gorgeous. Yeah, and then you make sure you blend properly at the top. Very, very pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna put my eyeliner. So I'm done. You just make sure that your eyeliner is later I'll touch up this part again. So this is the look, and then I'm gonna put my blusher. I'm gonna use Floris's bronzer blusher again. I've already done the contouring earlier on. You can look at the previous video. Okay, and then some nude lipstick. I'm gonna try using Rare Beauty's lipstick. Because when you're doing like a heavy smoky look, right, you need to have a very pale lipstick. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my brush again. This brush is incredible. I really love it. It gives me that volume. So cool. I really like it. It's so cute. Okay, then I'll put my lip gloss. So this is my Asian version for women over 40 kind of makeup. So if you love this video, follow me for more makeup tutorials. And if you have any stars that you wanted to know, is there any iconic makeup looks that you love and you want to learn, you can DM me or you can comment on this video so that I can do it for you guys. So thank you all so much for watching, and if you're doing this makeup, please tag me so that I see your finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye!